Yeah.
Yan, spaghetti. Tapos, yan pa. Yan, spaghetti. Ito lang. Ang galing. Bakit? Break time na namin. Fruits pa? Ang galing.
Malambot pa yung ano. Malambot pa yung balat.
Hello, birthday. Hello. Uy, chobe. Mayroon pa natira. Katay.
Barbecue stick.
Ito yung cake. Akin to, yung TikTok cake. Ito yung calamari. Teka. Ito yung calamari. Yan yung calamari. Yan yung calamari. Yan. Tapos ito yung sa akin, TikTok cake. Yan, parang hindi nyo nakita. TikTok cake. Yung malaki TikTok cake. Yung akin. Tapos yung maliit, calamari, daddy. Isa na sa crib na. I'm turning it.
Welcome to our freak show. Meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection.
Wow! Ito yung may-ari ng crib, oh. Si Choy Choy. Ma, tanggalin natin yung cake.
Wait lang, anak.
Gusto ko na mag-blue.
Wait.
Ano mag-blue?
Naka-break ka na ba?
Mm-mm.
Mag-ano, oras balik?
12:50.
Taga malapit.
Bakit, ma? Ah, excited na mag-blow ng candle.
Palit ka muna
Akin
damit
to.
mo. Kaso wala kang, hindi mo
Ito
mag-
kaya.
Palit ka muna ng damit na taas, dali.
Ano eh?
Magpalit ka ng damit, gaga. Pipicturean kita.
E, paano yan kung ano malapit na? Okay. Diyan na lang na.
Tsaka damit din sa'yo, magbaba ka rin, ha?
Ah!
Ay, wag na, ate, wag na. Bakit po kami dito sa'yo? Dito, ma'am.
Mami, ito na lang muna.
Di ba ba yung
Hindi. Okay na ata. Sabihin mo na lang na may pasok na may birthday. Natay.
Uy! Ano namin eh? Ha?
Hindi, di mama. Zero pa rin. Ito yung akin. Okay.
Oh, mahulog!
Mamaya na kasi. O, dali mo na doon, dali mo na doon.
Yay!
Tado ka pag nalaglag yan. Sa ilalim mo yan. Dapat ako talaga, tangina talaga si Iye.
Yan na. Pinasok na yung cake ko. At ito kay mami yan. Kay daddy yung cake na yan. Let's go.
But I'm straight gorgeous now. Oh, if you wanna see me, you gonna have to run up on me now.
Ano mo, salamin ko?
Hindi ko nga ako nasaan.
Sabi mo kay kuya, kain na daw.
Big Papa, I'm stunning. I spot big what you wanted.
Alam, sinitignan ka ni Chochoy. Anong ginagawa
Only laugh on the way to the backseat. I want money, so fuck you, pay me. Fall like a pro and girl, you just a scrimmage. Play with these fans, baby, I'm legitimate, I'm winning. On your level, I'm pussy VIP, you can't get in it. Cooper like a rocket ship for take off. I put in work, I'm making bitches take a day off. And giving hoes a reason to hate for me. Niggas touch with the shot like a playoff. Not tripping, not tripping. That bitch is so fake. Late night creeping and I'm cuffing on people thinking nigga back home. I kick a little something for the G. Wake up to the money, flexing on the dummy, how it fit in by the money. I don't pick up the phone. Got these hoes on my case, I need hoes not today. All this dripping for free, so you hoes got to pay. You nigga, I think his ass like 2K. You know Flo got that flavor, your man wanna take. When I step in the building, I need my best from the floor to the ceiling. I need to appeal it. What the fuck I was like, get your feelings. Yeah, they mad, I'm on top and I'm chillin'. Look up to me like these hoes is great children. Fashion week, I'm in killing. Going up, breaking the charts on the billions. If you ain't loving now, you do something too. I'm with your daddy getting nasty like the two of food. On the city that can see me like do I do. And if you cross me, I won't hesitate to shit on you. Been made. Kick a little.
I wanna ride, I do a kick, spit in my mouth, look at my eyes, pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised, let's roleplay, I wear disguise. I want you to park that big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it cream, make me scream.
Baby Papi! Oh, hindi si Papi. Wow! Papi! What fondant? Fondant yan? A cream na pinahard.
Ay, sila na po ko
Oh, sorry. Go. Gusto mo tawanan, Luis. Huwag mo tumawa.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a heavy drink, I need a re-smoke.
Ano tayo
Chronic sneak, I need a King Cobra with a hook in it. Hopefully, he got some money, then that's where I'm headed. Pussy A1, just like his credit. He got a beard, and I'm trying to wet it. I let him text me, he right back. I don't wanna spit, I wanna go, I wanna gag, I wanna choke. I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's swinging the back of my throat. My head in this fire, but not in the sun. It's going to dry, it's coming outside. Yeah, I run that thing at the eyes behind me. I spit on his mic, and I heat trying to sign me.
Y'all, I'm a freak bitch, can't